Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Lookfantastic September beauty box. I'm really excited to do this video today. I haven't done an unboxing in a while. So before I get started with unboxing, if you are new to my channel, then I would love it if you hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell next to that so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you like and enjoy this unboxing, then give it the big thumbs up. Oh, also as well, before we get started, the advent calendar is available for pre-order right now, which is so exciting. I cannot wait to get that in and unbox it for you guys. Lookfantastic actually kindly invited me to their launch night a few days ago, and I couldn't go unfortunately, so I was so sad about that. Hopefully next time I can go. Yeah, that would have been such an amazing, like, fun early Christmas event. That would have been so good. But anyway, I wanted to tell you about the advent calendar, and you know me, I love unboxing it every year for you. So yeah, this is what the beauty box looks like this month. It's a black box, and this is the Icon edition. So there's 6 beauty products inside here that are supposed to get us feeling red carpet ready. So we're going to give us really nice shiny hair, skin and nails. Along with the box we get the magazine that tells us all about the products that are inside, and there's a sneak peek for October's box on the back, which looks amazing. So this is the sneak peek right here. So we have 2 different products that we could get from Rituals. The first one is a candle and the other one is a perfume. So I would absolutely love to get the perfume because I've tried the candles before and I love them, but it would be nice to get something a little bit different. So the perfume would be really great, and the notes inside are rice milk and cherry blossom, so it's similar scents to the rest of Rituals products. So yeah, really looking forward to this. The first thing we get inside is a pair. So we get the Bleach London Recarnation shampoo and conditioner. So I've never tried any of Bleach products before, like not for the hair anyway, so I'm very excited about this. And it says that this is their nourishing shampoo and conditioner with bond restoring technology. I'm going to give them a smell to see. It smells nice and fresh. It's got a sunflower seed enriched formula which deeply hydrates and replenishes the hair, offering the appearance of rejuvenated flowing locks with an inevitable gloss. It smells really nice. I'm excited to try these out. I love a shampoo that's going to really nourish, hydrate and give me shine, so it sounds like this is going to really do that. And yeah, these are 75 ml, and it also says on the bottle that they're suitable for all hair types. Okay, so the next thing we get inside is this from Ren. This is their AHA Glowing Tonic. It says that this features a blend of AHAs and BHAs, which is a gentle but powerful formula that helps to resurface and exfoliate the skin. The lactic acid breaks up dead skin cells and replaces moisture, while salicin from willow bark helps to dissolve pore build up for a tighter, smoother appearance. It's suitable for daily use and it gives us a nice glow to our skin. And this is 100 ml. Next time we get inside, I'm looking forward to using because I just love these. These are from Elemis. These are the Pro Collagen Hydrogel eye mask. So these are really good to really hydrate your under eyes. They also help with fine lines and things like that as well. What I really like to do with my eye masks actually is put them in the fridge beforehand before I apply them, you know, to my eyes, just because it's got a nice cooling sensation, and because these are like gel type eye masks, you know, it's just feels really good on the under eyes. The info on the back says that they're formulated to instantly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Eye contours are left looking more smoother and feeling intensely moisturised. So yeah, I really like these. Next thing we get inside is this from Disciple. This is a retinol night oil. It says an ultimate skin regeneration product. It reduces pigmentation, lines and pore size, deeply nourishing, de-stressing and radiance boosting. And the info here says it's got rose hip seed oil in it as well. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this out. Sounds great for night. Now the next thing we get here is this cuticle oil from CND. So I actually have this on my nails today. So there's 2 different options that you will get in the box. You'll either get this one here that I have, or you'll get the Nail HQ cuticle oil, which looks like that there. So both of them I think do the same thing because they're both cuticle oils and conditioners. So yeah, I have this on my nails today because as you can see I have no nail polish on, so I wanted to try this out. So far it feels good. It's nice and kind of fast drying as well on the nails, so if you want to apply it, before you apply, your rest of your nail polish, then that's good, because it dries really quick. And yeah, so I'm going to use this over the next few days to see what it does for my nails, because my nails can get quite dry sometimes after I've worn nail polish for quite a bit of time. I think it's just to do with the different formulas of different nail polishes and things like that. So yeah, I've got this on my nails today. So far so good. It has like a marzipan, yeah, I think it's like a marzipan, macadamia or marzipan, I think it's a marzipan kind of smell that it has to it. I'm excited to use this more, and this here is, let me see if I can see this, a 3.7 ml this is. So that's everything that's inside this month's beauty box, and I'm looking forward to trying these things out, especially those hair products from Bleach London. Haven't tried anything from them before. I'm looking forward to seeing what this cuticle oil does for my nails, because I haven't applied anything like this to my nails in forever, so I'm excited about that. And also love the little Hydra eye mask from Elemis, and the glow tonic from Ren is really nice as well. If you are interested in the beauty box, then I will leave a link to it down below in the description box for you. That is it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did, please get a big thumbs up, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye.